These 35 cooking tools make everyday kitchen work faster and easier. But don't miss number 5, because the final tool is the one people wish they had discovered years ago. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the Genecook Salad Chopper with Bowl. Featuring a large 8.5 cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Cook and grill with less mess using this 2-in-1 oil brush bottle. Featuring a silicone brush head and durable borosilicate glass dispenser, it lets you brush and store oil in one handy tool. The leak-proof, no-drip design is perfect for BBQs, camping, and everyday cooking. Convenient, stylish, and only $14, a must-have kitchen gadget. Simplify meal prep with the 3-in-1 electric potato ricer and pasta maker machine. This versatile kitchen tool works as a potato ricer, pasta maker, and sausage stuffer, powered by a strong motor for quick and effortless results. Easy to use and clean, it's perfect for creating fresh homemade dishes, all for just $44. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Upgrade your kitchen game with the 250W electric cheese grater. This 7-in-1 multifunctional salad maker easily slices, shreds, and grates cheese, carrots, potatoes, and fruits with powerful efficiency. Featuring a widened feeding port for convenience and fast prep, it's your perfect helper for everyday cooking. Get professional results at home for just $80. Bring authentic homemade pasta to your kitchen with the new high electric pasta maker. Powered by a 135W motor and built with durable stainless steel, it effortlessly rolls and presses fresh dough into 1.5 mm round noodles or 4 mm flat noodles. Fast, convenient, and perfect for family meals. Upgrade your pasta game for $169. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Organize your kitchen neatly with the Nesapto 4-tier wood spice rack organizer. Designed to hold up to 28 spice jars, this stylish vertical rack works perfectly on countertops, cabinets, or walls. Durable, space-saving, and easy to install, all for just $25. Measure ingredients with precision using the Joseph Measure Up. This adjustable spoon handles both wet and dry ingredients with one simple tool, reducing clutter and saving time. Smart, compact, and accurate. Grab yours today for just $9. Make baking easier and more comfortable with this battery-operated electric flour sifter. Designed for effortless one-touch use, it's perfect for anyone with arthritis or joint pain. With a large 4-cup capacity and fine stainless steel mesh, it delivers smooth, lump-free flour every time. Easy to clean and fully washable. Get yours today for just $25. Make movie night snacks fast and fun with the Elite Gourmet EPM 330M Automatic Stirring Popcorn Maker. This 12-cup popcorn maker features automatic stirring for evenly popped kernels, a built-in reversible serving bowl, and a handy measuring cap for perfect portions every time. Safe, easy to use, and perfect for home parties and kids. All in a stylish mint design for just $26. Create delicious custom sandwiches in minutes with the Hamilton Beach Sandwich Stacker. Its spacious non-stick, PFAS-free cooking surface lets you stack your favorite ingredients, while the built-in timer ensures perfect results every time. Compact, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, this kitchen game changer is yours for just $47. Shred meat in seconds with the chicken shredder tool twist. The fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Bring dull blades back to life with the Longs & 6 in one knife sharpener. Featuring 5 sharpening stages and a cut-resistant glove for added safety, it quickly sharpens, restores, and polishes knives and scissors with ease. A must-have kitchen tool for safer, smoother cutting. Yours for just $20. Tired of uneven homemade bread slices? Meet the Brevklon manual bread slicer. With adjustable thickness, a smooth hand-crank design, built-in scale lines, strong suction cups, and a premium solid wood base, it delivers perfect sourdough slices every time. Beautifully packaged and built to last. Now available for just $56. Upgrade your bread-making experience today. Make meal prep faster and cleaner with this 2-pack 2-in-1 stainless steel garlic peeler. Effortlessly remove garlic skins in seconds while keeping your hands odor-free. It also works great for peeling carrots, ginger, and other vegetables. Durable, multifunctional, and easy to use. This handy kitchen tool delivers big convenience for only $10. Upgrade your breakfast game with the Martha Stewart rotating waffle maker. Designed for perfectly golden, fluffy waffles every time. Its 180 degrees flip ensures even cooking, while PFAS-free non-stick plates make cleanup effortless. With an adjustable timer, ready light, and space-saving design, it's both smart and stylish. Grab this sleek stainless steel waffle maker for just $60. Cook with confidence using the Tempro TP19H digital meat thermometer. Get accurate temperature readings in just 1 second, while the motion-sensing wake feature makes it instantly ready when you need it. Perfect for grilling, frying, baking, and candy making, this handy kitchen tool delivers precision for only $13. Prep ingredients in seconds with the electric garlic chopper, 250 milliliters. This cordless rechargeable chopper quickly minces garlic, onions, ginger, chili, and more with the push of a button. Compact, portable, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen helper for fast meal preparation. All for just $14. Craving restaurant-style fries at home? The Sapido French fry cutter makes it easy. Built with durable stainless steel and a powerful lever design, it cuts potatoes into perfect half-inch fries in seconds. Fast, effortless, and perfect for family meals, parties, and batch prep. Grab yours today for just $40. Make breakfast faster and easier with the GD3 in one divided egg pan. Cook eggs, bacon, and pancakes at the same time with its smart multi-section design. Featuring a titanium-enhanced non-stick coating that's PFOA, PFOS, and PTFE-free, it's safe, durable, and induction-compatible. Upgrade your morning routine today for just $18. Brew rich, full-bodied coffee anywhere with the Café du Chateau stainless steel French press coffee maker 34 ounces. Featuring a durable stainless steel frame, BPA-free glass carafe, and advanced 4-level filtration system, it delivers smooth, grit-free coffee and tea every time. With its 34-ounce capacity and portable design, it's perfect for home, camping, travel, and outdoor adventures. All for just $38. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts. Upgrade your kitchen organization with the Hubro Baker's Rack with Storage Cabinet BB13 UDHB01. Featuring 5 spacious shelves, a built-in power outlet, stylish LED lighting, and a storage cabinet, this industrial-style rack is perfect for coffee stations, microwaves, and kitchen essentials. Functional, modern, and space-saving, all for just $130. Make mealtime easier with the Sturmax Plus 7.5-quart digital multi-cooker. Featuring a built-in automatic paddle that stirs and shreds for you, this 9-in-1 programmable cooker can sauté, sear, brown, and simmer with minimal effort. Its large 7.5-quart capacity, included accessories, and cookbook make it the perfect all-in-one kitchen companion. Just $85. Whisk smarter with the Joseph Twist Whisk 2-in-1 design. Easily switch between a balloon whisk for whipping and a flat whisk for stirring with a simple twist. Its silicone-coated steel wires are safe for non-stick cookware. Cut prep time like never before with this all-in-one vegetable chopper. Featuring 8 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it slices, dices, chops, grates, and creates perfect French fries with ease. The built-in container keeps your workspace clean while making salads and meal prep faster than ever. Get this ultimate kitchen multitasker for $70. Make breakfast faster and more fun with the Dash Multi-Mini Waffle Maker. Designed to cook 4 delicious mini waffles at once for the whole family. Featuring dual non-stick heating plates, a fast heating system, and an easy-release surface, it delivers perfect waffles every time with quick cleanup. Compact, stylish, and perfect for busy mornings. All for just $39. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost with the electric kitchen composter. This 4L indoor composting machine features odor-free operation, dual carbon filters, an upgraded brushless motor, auto-clean function, and a smart LED display. Reduce food waste effortlessly while keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Go green from your countertop for just $221. Cook more in less time with the Crock-Pot Multi-Meal Multi-Cooker and Programmable Slow Cooker. Featuring 2 3.7-quart nonstick pots, this versatile multi-cooker lets you prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously while also offering a convenient bake function. Perfect for feeding 8 or more people, it simplifies meal prep, family dinners, and entertaining. Plus, the dishwasher-safe pots make cleanup quick and effortless. All for just $179. Upgrade your cooking game with the NewWave Combi Steam Oven, just $360. This 16-quart multi-cooker combines air fry, steam, sous vide, and more with 120 presets and precise 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit control. With moisture control and a non-toxic stainless steel design, it delivers healthier, perfectly cooked meals with ease. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice, these foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free with the stylish Airhood Portable Kitchen Exhaust Fan. Featuring activated charcoal air filters, a stainless steel oil filter, and a compact portable design, it's perfect for indoor cooktops, apartments, and small kitchens. Easy to clean and powerful enough to reduce smoke and odors fast. All for just $120. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the OXO Good Grips silicone steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Make barbecue prep faster and cleaner with the Drip Easy Collapsible Barbecue Prep Tubs 2-piece set. Marinate, store, and prep food with ease using these extra-large tubs, complete with a cutting board and secure lid. Collapsible for space-saving storage and built for serious grill masters. Get this versatile 2-piece set today for just $100. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use. All for just $18. Upgrade your kitchen with the Umite Chef 8-piece mixing bowl set. Made from durable stainless steel, these nesting bowls feature airtight lids, non-slip bottoms, and 3 built-in grater attachments for easy prep. Perfect for mixing, baking, serving, and food storage, all in one space-saving design. Get this versatile set today for just $30. Keep your countertops clean and organized with the Zuli Kitchen Spoon Rest. Made from high heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it holds multiple utensils at once while catching drips and spills. Perfect for spoons, tongs, and spatulas, this simple kitchen helper makes cooking easier. And it's yours for just $10.